Hello everyone on YouTube. I hope all is well with you. My name is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns. The main focus of this channel is creating simple art design. However, occasionally conducting unboxing reviews of very cheap devices. So please support the channel by subscribing if you are interested. Enough with the mumbo jumbo, let's get started. My game controller stopped working, so I decided to open it and found out that the battery was in terrible condition. It was already swollen, so I decided to purchase a replacement from Orange Store. Alam naman natin na takbuhan talaga natin ang Orange Store kapag wala tayong makita sa physical store. So tara, join with me as I attempt to change the battery and we'll see if it functions. But first, let me wipe off all the dust before moving on. Guys, if you want to do DIY like what I'm doing right now, be careful when opening because you might damage the clip that holds the cover. Guys, as you can see, the battery is already bloated. Before installing the new battery, I just want to make sure that it's clean. So let me clean this first, and I'm using alcohol since the alcohol quickly gets dry and it will help to get rid of all the dirt and residue. Well, now the light is blinking. I believe that's a good sign. now the final touches to ensure that not only I fix the controller but also make sure that it's super clean. I don't know about you guys, but it really bothers me when I'm working with dirty tables. Here's the crucial moment. Let's see if it is working. As you can see, it was already added to my devices. It means it's a success. So until then guys, see you on my next video. Comment below if you have an interest in DIY. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Be kind to each other. Thanks for watching.